In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Postman in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Postman. You'll be having the official link. Click it, and here we are having download the desktop app for. We are having for Windows, Mac and Linux. Just click the Windows one and click on this download for 64-bit. And the download will be getting started. It is around 142 MB in size, so just be patient till then. So once the download is complete, just open it. So we will be getting this Postman interface, and along with that we'll be also having a desktop shortcut. So if you want to create an account, you can click and create it. You can either create it with Google, GitHub or SSO. And if you don't want to sign in but still use it, here we are having continue without an account. Click that, and these are the stuff that we can get for signing up for free. It's up to you, or else you can just click on open lightweight API client. That's it. Do check the playlist of my channel. Learn a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.